Interest rates are high, inflation is going through the roof, and the media is peddling fear. The truth is that the best time to buy property was 20 years ago, and the second best time is right now. Look, it won't be long till the storyline the media are telling changes from fear-mongering to FOMO. And again, there'll be a mad rush to property. If you already have a property portfolio, or you're looking to start one, then you need not fear. Because even in times of high interest rates and inflation, you can still achieve great returns in property. If you already have a property portfolio, then you might not even know what you're sitting on. You can transform those existing portfolios into cash flow positive, money producing assets just by ensuring your loans are structured correctly for maximum cash flow and tax benefit. Property is a game of finance, nothing else. You need to know that if you want to be successful in property, then you need to build a team of professionals around you who can focus your attention and optimize your decision-making process to provide you options you didn't even know were available. Now I'm going to break down a few of these strategies in 4 short videos. This content is completely free. Click the link below to see the first short video and book in a strategy session. It also costs no money to have your loans reviewed or your borrowing capacity workshopped, so give me a call.